I'm Dr. Sanda at the Beverly Hills Health Lounge, and I wanted to talk to you about what is One Day Smile. You might have seen us in the Inside Edition telling the story of Valerie Perrine, who was a celebrity but now crippled with Parkinson's. Her teeth were falling apart. So she basically went to sleep in the morning. We removed all the decayed teeth on the top. We placed implants. And with the help of our lab and our prosthodontist, we were able to give her an amazing smile when she woke up a few hours later. We have so many of our patients that are afraid to come to the dentist, and that fear is so crippling that they let their teeth rot, and I mean all of them. We have patients coming in here that we have to remove all their teeth. There's nothing salvageable, and the only way we can do it is by offering them sleep dentistry, removing everything, rebuilding with implants, designing a beautiful smile all in one day. So when they wake up, they're overwhelmed with emotion of what a difference it's made in their life. If you'd like to find out about Smile in One Day, call us at Beverly Hills Dental Health and Wellness.